Hey everyone, Desiree here. So in this video, we're going to do an unboxing of a brand new to me planner. This is the Ashley Shelly Planner. Now I have heard about this particular planner from my friend Kristen from Planning with Kristen. And if you're not familiar with her channel, I will leave a link to it down below. But she has been reviewing this planner, I think, for a couple years now. And so when she showed it on her channel, I was very intrigued because I really enjoyed the layout of it. So she actually referred me to Ashley Shelly to review this planner and share it on my channel with all of you. So I wanted to go ahead and unbox the planner. All I did was cut the tape to the box so that way we can open it together and you can see exactly how it would come if you were to place an order. Now Ashley Shelly does have an Instagram and a website, of course, so I will leave all of that information down below if you are interested. And I think that is it. So let's go ahead and get started and open the box. Now right off the bat, I am impressed with the packaging. I think it's very important, especially for coil bound planners, to come in a box, and this is a coil bound planner. And I think it's I just think it shows that a lot of thought has gone into the product because you are interested in making sure the customer receives the product all in one piece. So definitely 2 thumbs up for that. Now, as you can see, this is really cute. She threw in some candy, some Sour Patch Kids, which I think my son will probably have fun with that. And I do see some beautiful tissue paper. Very, very nice. And she also wrote a note. I don't know if you can see up here, but she wrote, "Thank you, Desiree, Heart Ashley." Very cute that she added a personal touch in there as well. So let's go ahead and take a look. Love the bubble wrap. Perfect for protecting the planner. And it comes with a little card. It says, "Create your best days." And then it has some information about her social media, hashtags, and that type of stuff. Very nice. Now I went ahead and chose, I think this is called the Blush Stripe or something like that. I'll link to this exact planner down in the description below. And I'm not sure if I said, but this is the 2020 planner. And it does come in a protective plastic wrap. And very nice. I am impressed with the quality of the cover. It's like a heavy duty, I guess, cardboard, but it does not feel cheap at all. It does not feel like, a TJ Maxx or a dollar store planner by any means. So I am impressed with the quality. I'm not a huge fan of these types of coils, but we'll see how it works out. So you can see it's got the corner protectors on the front and the back. And then it has the Ashley Shelly logo on the back as well. So what I do like is this little pocket right here, perfect for putting stickers, papers, whatevers. You do have a plastic zip pouch here in the front, which I'm very excited about. I love the zip pouches, and it comes with some stickers. Let's see how those are looking. So you do get a sheet of stickers. These look like they are the clear stickers, and it looks like it's just some icons in a color palette that matches the planner. Very nice. Then you have a "This planner belongs to." Oh, wow. Now I'm really impressed with the paper. Now that was one thing I was curious about, was the paper quality going to be good, you know, because sometimes these planners, they're beautiful, but the paper quality is just not there. So she has some tips on how to use the planner. And then I noticed that the corners have these little perforated corners, I guess, for you to mark your, you know, mark where you are, you know, your kind of like a bookmark or page mark. So you have an inspiration board, contacts, meal ideas, 2020 overview. And I can't tell if there's pages stuck together here. I don't think so. Then you have a yearly overview, holidays for the year. I love this because I'm always referring to this, especially with my son's school calendar. Sometimes the holidays and his days off aren't exactly, you know, like sometimes he doesn't get the actual holiday off. It'll be the day before or something like that. So I really like that. Then you go into the month on 2 pages. Now, what I do like about this is the tabs are coordinated with the ink color for that particular month. So I'm not sure if I showed that, but you do get colored tabs that match, again, the color scheme of the planner. Oh, this is nice. Okay, create your best days in January. What are you grateful for right now? What are you worried, stressed about right now? What can you do to remove your stress? What creates happiness in your life that you want to do more of this month? Okay, so this is kind of like a little reflective or maybe like a thoughts page before every month. I do like that. It even has places for self-care and your word or mantra. Then you got notes pages. And then you get right into the week on 2 pages. Now, I do like this particular horizontal layout because you don't have Saturday and Sunday crammed together. And you actually have a lot of space if you wanted to decorate. Now, I like that the notes is up here instead of down here because usually when I have notes that pertain to the week, I like to see it at the beginning of the week instead of at the end of the week. Then you have space here for your monthly word, and then it just goes right into the week on 2 pages. Very nice. So let's take a look at what February looks like. And you can see it goes into this pretty lavender color. The month on 2 pages. Create your best days, notes, and then the same thing you get into your week. So I really do love the layout of this. Like I said, I'm not a huge fan of horizontal layouts, but this is something I could work with. Oh, I see. And then you go to April, May, and so forth. So let's take a look and see the end of the planner. So when you get to the end, you have, it looks like it just goes into some notes pages. Yeah, so you have the very last week that goes up until January 3rd, 2021. And then you just have some blank note pages in the back, which I do love and appreciate. See, this is why I don't care for this particular coil because I'm having trouble turning the page. There we go. And then at the very end, you have a create your best days, and then you have information about her website, that type of thing, and that is the end. Okay, so this you cannot close this way. See, it does not close because of the coil, so you have to close it from the front. And see, this is the only thing I dislike about this particular coil, is that sometimes it's difficult to turn pages and open and close it. So if you're in a rush, you just have to be be mindful and not, slam it shut. But overall, I do think this is a very good planner. It's very simple. It doesn't have a whole lot going on. You know, it's the perfect size for travel. I'm pretty sure it's the same as an Erin Condren size. Let me grab mine. So this is my Erin Condren, and so you can see it's just a tad bit narrower than the Erin Condren planner. At least as far as the page sizes go. And I have more than 1 year in my Erin Condren, so my Erin Condren's a little bit thicker. But this is definitely something that would be travel friendly. Like I said, because it's just a tad bit narrower, I think it would definitely work. You know, especially if you're used to the Erin Condren paper size. So there you go. That is my unboxing of the Ashley Shelly. I think it's called is it called Create Your Best Days Planner? Yes, Create Your Best Days. The Ashley Shelly Planner, Create Your Best Days. And then this is January to December 2020. So, like I said, if you're interested, I will have all of this linked down below. And if you have any questions, feel free to drop those down in the comments section as well. And I think that is going to be it for this video. Thank you so much for taking the time to watch. Now, I will do a plan with me in this video so you can see how I'm probably going to use it next year. I'm thinking I might use it for probably as part of my budget planning system. I need a planner to track my expenses, and I'm feeling like this is going to work out really, really well. And so I may use that for my expense tracker. But I'm not 100% sure, but I'm almost 100% sure. So I'll definitely keep you posted, and I'll show you exactly how I'm using it. All right, everyone. Thank you again for taking the time to watch. I'll see you in the next video.